Okay, so the ICC. So I've been playing with gold paper trading. See, I made a bad trade earlier because I accidentally took a trade within the news session, I want to say, and I lost out on 170. That was it. No, it was more than 170. Oh, okay, I guess that's it. I guess I just lost out on 170. That's today. Let me see. 17. No, that's not today. Today is the 9th. Hold on, let's find the one that I. Here we go. $530. But then I got back in and gained $550 because I waited. I also learned today that I will not trade before 9:30. I traded in the 8:30 period. Put them back though. And yeah, but see right here is ICC. So can y'all see? I need to put my camera on something. But so here is my indication. It didn't do no correction, but I be doing the little thing too. Here's the fair value gap, the last bullish part. But yeah, once it closes this above this, then I will get in. I don't really do that one-to-one stuff, but for the sake of the video, we'll do a one-to-one so y'all can see what it'll look like. This is a better example of the indication, the ICC method, which, who did I learn? So I'm in Sierra Lee's group, but to be honest, I never even made it yet to the, yes I did, but I don't remember who taught it because it's 5 of them or 4 of them. But I've been watching her trading, which she does supply and demand, and then favor trader, and then some of trades by side clips. So this is the indication that the market want to be bullish. Then here's my RB, the first 15 minutes of the market opening, but we do futures, so yeah. Why they got big like that? But so indication, correction. Let's see if it come back to right here, and then I need to clear that one because starting out I found some that, you know, be more realistic for me to trade if I was to start with $100, and this will be it right here. So I'm gonna show y'all how I place a trade and stuff like that too. But yeah, I already checked my charts. This is markings, previous markings. This US 100 cash forex does not, it don't move like that. It stay in this range. It stay in this area. Is this a marking? Yes, it is. Okay, let's leave it. But, see, what did it cost? Back to 2 minutes. So I have all my alerts set because if it breaks this, then I know it want to come back to here, and then I will get in for a quick one. Oh. Okay, but let's go back to our gold. This is a new one. Haven't traded on this one yet. I don't know how much this brings us. This is the S&P 500. I haven't traded this one yet, but it's the same thing. Indication, correction. It should stop here, or it might even stop here because price has been down here, but it should shoot back up. Let's go to see, it's a bullish market. Previous highs. I don't know how you saw that. 30 minutes. It's reading the same thing. So yeah. Okay, so if it break this, then it want to go down, but it don't look like it want to break it. So this is going to be my support right here. The ORB opening range breakout. First 15 minutes of the market. And then if it does not break it and I get a bullish candle, we're going to take it to here. Okay? Okay, so see, it did not want to break this. I got a bullish candle. I got my first bullish candle. I really should have waited till the bullish candle closed, but we know it don't want to break this, and the bullish candle did not come back to here. So I set my take profit for 500, and we're gonna let it do what it do. See, I got in wrong. I was supposed to wait for a full bullish candle to close, and I got in the candle forming. I should have never got in here, but we're gonna let it ride. Because this is the indication correction. I can't do this when I do my combine, so lesson learned, and pay attention. You see, I should have waited for a green candle close on my 5 minute. I need to write my steps down. And I need to plaster them right here so I can see them. What up, Dukes? But yeah, as y'all see, it's coming back up, and I kind of want to close out, but I don't want to read on my paper trading thing. But I cannot do that from my combine. From my combine, I have to follow the rules. This is just paper trading, but for my combine, I have to follow the rules because of that drawdown stuff or whatever. So and I'm going to go in for a 50K. So that means I can't make more than 50% of what I'm supposed to make in a day. And so your target for one day will be like 1,500. I want to do 500 a day. So yeah. I think I'm going to close out, y'all. If I get my stop loss back to... Ooh, I was in profit. See, it's going back up there. Let's discard that. I don't know. See, I'm in prop. Ooh, hold on. See, it's. I think I'm gonna close out green. I wish it was a faster way to close out. Like this would take so long. Let's close. Hold on. Let's make sure I stay green. Okay, fine. Let's close it. So I closed it, and I'm gonna wait till my candle go green. So I did not lose anything. Let's make sure. See, okay, I closed out $15, so I'm still in the green. But when the candle goes green and I get my first full closed green candle, I will get back in. Mama, okay, so my 5 minute is bullish still, right? My sister pushed it back in. Overall, bullish 15 minutes. Hourly is bullish, and then you check your 4 hour. Everything is bullish. So my 5 minute is still bullish after my 2 minutes. I get on my 2 minute, make sure it lines up. My 2 minute, it had a good closed candle. So yeah. Why is this not? Let me. So this is how y'all know, and I'm gonna close some of this out because for my stop loss at about so I'm at 410. This is my target right here. My target really is 500, but you know. If I would have set my stop loss, I would have been out of the trade. If I hit that, I'm done trading for the day. Paper trading, yeah. Real life trading, yeah. So if I hit more than 300, I will be done for the day. But I'm testing the theory right now. So yeah. See what it looks like when this next candle closes. I adjusted it to 1,000 because I don't need to be greedy. I'm practicing for real life as well. See the next candle. I wanted to close it, but well, I wanted to set my stop loss at 305, but you gotta get a push. Remember, the market is not your friend. The trend is your friend, but the market is not your friend. The market does not know you. The market don't care what you close out at. So we had 630. If I push up to 7, I'm gonna take some profit. Cause also here they want make sure you close out with something. You know what? I'm gonna close out with that. So that's my stop loss. But we are up here. So we're gonna see. Let's see. I can't start record, but this is to make sure we don't go into the negatives. And guess what? I took that 305. I'm still in the trade, but I put my stop loss to 305 because at the end of the day, I just transitioned to a bus driver. I don't make no more than $100 a day. And then driving the trucks, the highest I ever made driving trucks was fuel hauling, and I didn't used to make no more than, I made about five. I'm not gonna lie, I made about 500 a day, but on the average, my daily was 380, guaranteed. So see, we at 690. I just want to see if I can get a trade. Ooh. Where did you find this cup at? Lay, go get your brother cup out the living room on the sofa. I kind of wanna. Ooh. Oh y'all. Let's close out some more. We're gonna make sure we leave with 5. We at 9 though. That 9 is pretty good. And we executed. That was a win. And I'm done for the day. I'm done paper trading. Because realistically, like, how? And this was the NASDAQ. I kept saying this was gold, but this was NASDAQ. And I need to pay attention to that. We just did 1,000. Yeah. So imagine if that was real on a combine. I didn't go negative at all in that one. And that is doing my ICC. Not mine because who really created it. But that's doing ICC, indication, correction, and then continuation. But like I said, I have to remember to check my 5 minute. Make sure that my 5 minute closes bullish. Then go to my 2 minute, and that's where I make my entry. Now, see, I'm done.